Alright lads, welcome back to the channel. We're just embarked on a backpacking trip, 3-night, 55-ish miles. We've got the crew, as you can see.
Follow at John Luke on Insta.
And Sam. John. Ladies. No, that's Gabby and Anna. So this is the rite of passage.
If you can't do it, you can't.
If you can't do it, you can't hike. Come on, John, dip, dip! You're gonna die, you're just gonna drop down.
Oh, what was that?
That was what?
Those were pots and pans.
Yeah,
Hold myself
right.
up.
110% accuracy.
Lightweight.
Go, go, go.
Push. Oh, you're weak.
Alright, got it the first
Go do
time.
the first try.
And I forgot to film. No.
Yep. No.
Oh, you got it.
He got it. It's now the time for Teddy.
Gabby's injured.
Easy.
Lightweight. Gabby, your turn.
Do it, mate. John did it,
I'm a
mate.
leper, I can't.
You fall down, I'm not picking you up.
If you drown.
Yo, that's crazy.
Let's take it.
Hello?
That's cool.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Anyone got a talk?
Nah. I reckon back on the trail. Eating lunch. Sitting on the reservoir wall. Looking pretty good. There's trees. I'm older, gonna have a pine tree.
I've actually taught.
This is a dodgy trail, are you sure this is right?
Now begins the ascent. Woo! You see that echo? That was actually pretty good. It's starting to get a little bit more wild. A little bit. I can't decide if I want to film or take a picture. Moving on. So we're going to traverse left from this wood and then cross a river where I need to get some more water. We're going that way, which looks pretty nice.
They're being very slow. Yes. Yeah, these guys have been way too slow. We're gonna get caught out in the dark and eaten alive by sheep. Sheep over there, they just went over the hill. I'm rusty at vlogging. These guys have been slow. We're supposed to be on a schedule and they keep letting us down because they're all filtering water. We also got ambushed by some sheep, but I managed to get them away. Peace out. Well, I'm still filming, dang it.
Here with Annie, walking along the path. Pretty mega. Starting to get a bit more rugged. I'm liking it.
This way.
Look, this way.
No, we're not next to each other. No, I used to ruin the view.
Super close.
No, that's stupid. Why is it always on video?
We're back walking again with the whole gang. Wait. Ugh. Where is everyone? The girls are at the back. Apparently they're not with us. They're yapping along and chatting and being social and all that, as they usually are. Meanwhile, we are descending down to lower altitudes, which is by the reservoir. And we'll hopefully, because it's about 5 o'clock right now, so we need to start thinking about where to camp and also where to get water. So that's the plan right now. There's the reservoir in all its glory. But what's funny is we're deciding map reading because we need to get water, and that big river there is dried up, which is a problem.
Yeah, I'm having a baby belt. Perfect timing.
So John's having the baby out.
Yeah.
I'm chilling. And these two have these four. You can't really see them. You can see puke. These four are gathering raspberries and blackberries and all manner of berries.
They're vegan.
Alright guys, so we have set up camp over here and over there. And now I will show you what is going on in the camp. So here we have John, who forgot to bring a can opener and has decided to take out his anger on a can.
It's gonna drip it.
In the aim to get at the can's contents. Annie is eating his couscous. Seemed to have gone fairly well. My food is currently cooking. Luke's eating.
Lucy?
Luke! And the girls are making the bonfire. Oh, look at that guy. The focus.
Paracetamol packets don't. Workman who blames his own tool. Paracetamol packet doesn't all burn.
You need to let the viewers at home know your thought process.
Wait, I can block the window.
That's good.
Look at that. That was going to catch any time. You do it with such confidence.
Very close, Hello. Hello. We can't see anything. Oh wow, I think I'm burnt.
I'm not burnt at all.
Yeah. Anyway, we're in the tent. About to go to sleep.
Hello.
Sleeping bags. I don't know what you can see. We will catch up with you in the morning.
Big brain.
Not a trace. Leave no trace, ladies and gentlemen. First hill done. Everyone is unpacking, sorting their stuff out. I just changed into shorts. Girls are up there. And we're about to go up that peak. Now summited the peak with amazing views. Got some of the people going up on ahead. Luke and John are out behind us. You can see. Yep, onward, across the trail.
Panoramic. We are on Fanny Big in an igloo made from rocks. Gabby and I made it this morning, didn't we?
Igloos have roofs.
We didn't have time to do that yet.
Oh. Cozy.
How is everyone doing?
My bites are still here. Luke,
John is
You were
crying.
saying your bites are gone.
He lost
no,
his.
they're not actually.
he lost
They've
Mag-
gone, they
Maggie.
just don't itch.
These bites are weird.
Maggie.
I thought they were gone,
Mhm.
but it was just Doc.
Luke, how are you?
Pretty sure Gabby has no idea Maggie is. It's in the name.
Luke, how are you? How's
Think
your
about
leather
Meg.
belt?
Sorry?
How's your leather belt?
Oh, Matt.
I'm not carrying it, so it's okay.
Oh, good.
Conversation.
Annie, how are you?
I'm good. It's a different
How are
creature.
I'm good.
Its name's Maggie.
Theodore, how are you?
She evolved.
He's eating. He's drinking Capri Sun.
I'm drinking my Lucas here.
On your Instagram profile.
That's Grumpy,
Oh.
the dwarf.
Don't know the dwarves.
Have you never watched Snow White?
No.
Oh my god. Have
I
you
know,
ever
I've
watched
never-
Disney?
If you take it off your profile.
Put it up the hand.
Don't worry.
What's happening? How old are you?
1, 2, 3, go.
Gabby's making progress. She's right there. Anna's not so much.
You have to commit.
It's, there was a rock. Oh, rah. I'm not in a very good position.
Green. Has to be high tech. Anna, choose life. Yo, that's sketch. Maybe come back.
Jump on there.
Just made the climb up to Penyfan. Absolutely grinding. You see Andy looks like a tomato. We also got John.
Also looks like
Also looks like a tomato. And it's going on ahead to the summit. And yeah, we're waiting on Gabby and Luke. And then we'll all go to the summit. Guys, we're going to Penyfan. It's ridiculously windy. Like you're almost blown off your feet. It was a big ladder. Almost dangerous. Like, yeah. Don't go close to the edge. I don't know if it's a pack. I'm gonna get tiger in this. And I'm gonna go. Oh, but it's like almost not safe. The amount of wind, the wind. like. The what? I'm not having lunch with this.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Have it later. How are you gonna open it with your hands?
Apparently, up this way, there was no wind.
Yeah, I think this way is like this is where everyone goes. It's not as steep this way. This is the celebration. What is it?
Martini.
Martini.
Cocktail. Passion. It's good. It's so good.
It was like art until I realised they'd been staged. Finally got down from Penyfan. Now on bottom at low altitude. Time for a paddle.
Oh, my knee is dead. Oh, you want to smell swell? I like that one.
This is part 4.
Sorry?
Wait, what blisters do you have, Doodle?
Huh?
What blisters do you have?
Don't have any.
I've actually got one now. First one I got one.
Look at that vein. My veins are like.
Oh, mine are pulling.
John's like the best.
Whoa.
Ew.
I'm like the
Ew,
Hulk.
you look like an orc.
It's like a wire that goes.
Look at mine as well.
It's cold.
Yours is only on one side.
Yours are like a baby. Mine's like.
Mine are normally green.
Yours are just a bit purple.
Because it's cold.
Oh.
Oh, it was cold. I'm putting some socks on.
Oh.
I don't know, I'm not already convinced.
I'm pretty sure paddling was more appealing last time.
It was cold last time.
It's not as bad as this.
Okay.
Sure.
I remember. You like found it.
Right? Yeah, I mean there should be like it's really nice water.
Not now.
Probably all fleeing.
Oh, Gabby's getting the snacks. Right, lads, it's the morning of the third day. I have not spoken to the vlog for a long time. We had a huge navigational problem on that hill with a bunch of wind and rain, and everyone was pretty wet and soaking. So what happens in that hill stays in that hill. Anyway, we are packing up
Stop procrastinating.
to start the next day. John wants me to put down the tent, but you know he's so good at it. I would not want to take away his glory. But yeah, today's supposed to be wet. We shall see. So, out walking again. Got a good pace going. John's leading the march. The guys are out front holding hands because I don't really know why. That's what girls seem to do. Anyway, very hilly and moorish. So we've got a nice road and there's a nice river. Like over there. So, morale is good. Here we have Gabby trying to milk a sheep, while everyone else looks on amused. She's trying to bait it out with a carrot. Oh no, the sheep's gone for the forest. Oh, trying to take shelter, but there seems to be a fence. Oh, Gabby cuts her off. Moving in. By the way, this sheep actually looks like it's about to burst. Like, if you tapped, it's, what is it?
Udder.
Where the milk is. No, but it's not. No, the udder's what you squeeze. What's the thing? The sack where you hold the milk.
About to burst.
It's called the milk placenta.
No.
It's not an udder. The udder is where you squeeze. But what's the bit that holds it? The whole thing is not an udder. That's the most dumb. Is the whole thing an udder?
Yes.
John, your biologist.
I think unless we're gonna eat it, we should move on.
Let's eat.
I'll eat it. Come on, Gabby. Gabby. Wait, let's.
She do it.
No. Wait, behold the udder. You can't even walk.
I actually do not think you can see anything on this camera. Gabby, you can do it!
Maybe it's pregnant and it's about to give birth.
Zoom in.
Could it be pregnant? No, I don't think it's pregnant. No, it's definitely.
It doesn't grow babies in the udder, that's for sure.
It's not the udder!
It is.
Well, the sheep managed to get away. What is Gabby doing?
She's eating a carrot.
No, Gabby stepped in its poo.
Only in the Brecon beacons. Why is the camera so close?
Gabby, did you put my carrot in the poo?
Luke is not impressed.
Okay, good.
Gabby, you're a failure!
Oh.
Gabby, Gabby.
Scare the sheep.
Look. Replace the udder with the carrot.
Oh no.
How does the farmer do it? Someone needs to look up how you milk a sheep.
Let's do it.
I reckon we'd spear it with a trekking pole.
You need like 3 cameras.
3 trekking poles.
Don't you like get a rope and like?
I mean, we could help her corner it. Do you actually want to milk it? What does she want to do with it?
Fresh milk.
Hey, look, go down. Yeah, there you go.
Same height.
This is it.
What's the cheese you make with?
It actually seems kind of interested.
Sheep cheese.
I think it's just plain hard to get, you know. Hey, look, we cut it off. Watch this.
Go.
Gabby, bring it this way somehow.
From the path.
Bro, we just want to milk you. It actually looks like it's about to explode. Is it peeing or milking? Oh my days. Yo, we just want to milk you. I don't know what you can see on the camera. How? Oh my goodness. It seems the sheep has avoided the hobbit. Wee, wee. Now, onward on our journey. So, what is this hat? I just not realised how ridiculous that looks. Anyway, here we leave the Beacon Way and we go instead towards this place.
We're gonna compete with you.
Sad times. So, this is Annie's cabanossi. It's one long string that looks like... Oh, it's getting lower, this branch. It's not wet. It's not wet.
Uh-oh. I heard a snap.
Where's the path on the right, say? No, there's the little sign going right. Horse is that way. Wait, that means bridle way, no? As you can see, it's very wet. And I didn't want to go this route. But John bullied people in with... Oh, now we're getting directions. Epic. And now, onward, Christian soldiers. The question is, which way should we go?
Oh, maybe that's just the way I'm saying.
There is no question. There is no
Do you
question.
mean there's no question? I don't like. Right.
We are here. We
Mm.
go to the waterfalls.
Where did you say we were? Oh yeah.
I said we
are here.
and then we go here.
Hello.
Sounds like a plan. Might not be a good plan, but sounds like a
Pilot,
plan.
but like,
I'm joking.
okay. Here's another part.
In the tent. My hair is looking great. That doesn't improve it.
We'll pay you £1 to cook our eye.
Really?
Yeah.
Like bugging
Shut
me.
my eyes.
Wait,
Oh,
did you grab
yeah.
that food? Okay.
Wait, did you want the Uncle Ben?
Wait, guys,
No.
Gabby,
Yeah.
I'm holding my arm out for the pound.
Okay, well, this is what I'll give you.
Why do you want a pound? A pound is nothing.
Too late, Annie took the £1 instead of you.
Well, where's your food?
He's cooking it.
Oh.
You snooze, you lose.
No, I didn't want your food.
Come out this tent anyway.
We don't have fuel. How are we meant to cook?
Oh, John, I don't think.
Oh,
In my bag's on the.
We don't have room. Actually, why don't we eat later?
No.
Too late.
It's 8:15. You're the only one who's eating their dinner cold.
No, I didn't. I just had snacks.
Eat your dinner now, and then we can play cards.
Oh, it's not coming out again.
It's only like 7.
It's 8:20.
Wait, are you taking my water?
Donna's.
Oh wait, no, like, sorry, not a while ago. It was soon.
Huh?
Wait, it's not. It may not be clean.
So much water.
Well, it's fine, I'm keeping it in a packet. So.
That's disgusting.
Oh, are you
Okay.
putting it in the
Ow.
bag?
Yes.
Why did I
That's
do
why it's in
that?
the heat. You just don't want to wash up.
I might just cook out here.
Yeah, I'm just cooking
No, you're
here.
not. You burn the tent down. And I will not be happy.
Are you alright?
That'll work. Okay. Right, so.
My goodness.
Can I have some sliders?
Theodore, this lid is. This thing
9.
you gave me is stupid. It just gets stuck in the food.
Yes, Theodore. Why do you give stupid things? Why are you filming yourself? What are you doing?
It's been great conversation.
I like that.
Look, they're cooking.
You can open this.
I've been filming it for the last 5 minutes. It's gonna be great content.
What are you
I guess
doing?
I'm not eating.
Capri Suns.
That's all that's been happening. I've just been sucking this.
What on earth did you? Oh my goodness. This is like being thoroughly wedged in.
Thoroughly wasted.
Someone have.
You sound so tired.
Yeah, well. Yeah.
This is why John's food is cold because he.
the grass everywhere.
It's wet enough for it to.
Right, now we wait.
Does somebody have like a metal rod?
The turtle is coming out.
Did you bring a metal rod everywhere?
Did you get a
Oh,
spoon? I have a fork. I have a fork. He has a spoon.
They call me the rock.
Can I have your sliders?
No.
Why not?
My Pumas.
Alright, you can
Prized
come in here
possessions.
and you can sit where John was. And I'll have your sliders and
No,
make my
because
dinner.
as soon as it's cooked,
Maybe.
lid out.
It's not filming. It is.
No, it's not.
Walk over here.
It is. It's 7 seconds.
how hard do you want
Gabby.
it?
Look, I
Wait,
need
you're
to try and
garming?
push this lid
Wait,
up.
what are we doing
And
going?
This bit sticking up here.
wait,
to
what?
push it.
Let's see what your
I
laugh
don't
is
think it
like.
would do this. Why? You should have just taken your
okay.
own.
Wait, scratch myself. Wait, I need to put this down. Try. Okay, try.
Don't push on this, because I don't want it any more wedged in. Push down on these bits.
Oh.
This bit. What the heck? Oh.
Why doing it? Again.
Hey,
That
boss.
was actually my
No, you have to eat cereal bars.
Okay, we're done.
When I tried that, I went into like a close.
That is
Epileptic
creepy.
shock.
Oh.
How long is rice take?
No, I can't think of it.
Are you listening to it, Annie? Is it staying?
So, we're on the final day, all packed up, as you can see. ready to start walking. So we've got like, 2 miles ish via some waterfalls before the pickup.
The fringe is cringe.
The fringe is fringe. The fringe is mega. What do you mean the fringe is cringe?
Everything's cringe.
Some people are losing it,
This fringe.
but we are excited to finish the hike and to get on with our lives. They're slow. And
I'm gonna interview Gabby. Gabby,
I am packing up Anna's.
so far, what do you think of the hike as a whole?
Great. Riveting content.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how successful would you rate it?
15.
Okay, and if Hugo was here, what would you say to him?
Say something funny.
Okay, Anna, same question applies, what would you say to Hugo?
I'll say hi.
Okay, fair enough. Annabelle, what would you say to Hugo if he was here?
where are you hiding, bro?
Okay. Do you want to know what I would say? I'd wait till he's wearing long trousers and say, what are these blood?
To the subscribers at home, Anna would like to know what these glasses look like.
Him. Over on.
Can I see please?
Now you can. On the road again. This is Waterfall country. On the way to see a waterfall. It's like called like Sig Glid Ira. I'll let you know when we reach it. There's the waterfall! Hey! The others are coming. I reckon we should go under when they come. About to go under. Here we go. Hey. What are you doing?
Holding this, I don't think back in you.
Oh, wow. See, that's what you want in a hiking companion, right? We can do it together. Look.
I'll hold that.
This is the path away from the waterfall. Pretty muddy, particularly if you've got sliders. I feel like I'm just filming a lot of butt at the moment. Oh, look at this legend. Final stretch. Looking forward to a bathroom, shower, food, particularly cereal. I'm craving cereal. But yeah, final maybe half a mile.
Chuck.
Anna's a dancer. Evidently only in her feet. Whoa.
I'm going to try and do the music.
What is up with my hair?
Old mate.
That's better, kind of.
My coat was like,
Vlogging left-handed is hard.
oh,
You have to like cram it in there. Balance it with your pinky and index. John, we need some context. Guess what John has in his bowl. Leave it down in the comments below. Guess what he's got in his bowl. Vodka. I'll reveal it in 2 weeks. On a highlighted comment, I'll reveal what it is.
Ketamine.
What now? Oh, Kendall. Oh, the mink cake.
It's a horse tranquilizer.
You heard it here first.
like that more.